Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic HTML. So let's get started. In HTML5, which semantic element is used to define a footer for a document or a specific section? The correct answer is option C, footer. Which attribute allows a user to select more than one file in an input type equals file element? The correct answer is option A, multiple. Which attribute is used to specify a placeholder image to be shown while a video is downloading or until the user hits the play button? The correct answer is option B, poster. Which global attribute is used to specify whether the content of an element should be editable by the user? The correct answer is option D, content editable. When embedding an SVG directly into HTML, which element is used to create a circle? The correct answer is option A, circle. What is the correct way to specify the character encoding for an HTML5 document? The correct answer is option C, meta charset equals UTF-8. Which attribute can be applied to an OL tag to make the list items count down instead of up? The correct answer is option B, reversed. Which HTML element is used to provide a predefined list of options for an input element as the user types? The correct answer is option D, datalist. Which attribute is used in an A tag to prompt the browser to download the linked resource instead of navigating to it? The correct answer is option A, download. Which semantic element should be used to wrap the central, unique content of a web page that is not repeated across other pages? The correct answer is option B, main. In an HTML5 video element, which tag is used to specify subtitles or captions? The correct answer is option C, track. Which attribute is used to enable or disable the browser's native grammar and spelling check for an element? The correct answer is option D, spell check. Which attribute is used with input to specify a regular expression against which the input's value is validated? The correct answer is option A, pattern. Which HTML5 element is used to highlight or mark text for reference purposes due to its relevance in another context? The correct answer is option B, mark. When using the script tag, which attribute ensures the script is executed only after the entire document has been parsed? The correct answer is option C, defer. Which meta tag property is essential for ensuring a website is responsive and renders correctly on mobile devices? The correct answer is option D, viewport. Which element is used to group a media object, like an image, with its descriptive caption? The correct answer is option A, figure. Which attribute automatically focuses a form control when the page loads? The correct answer is option B, autofocus. What is the purpose of the tab index attribute with a value of 0? The correct answer is option C. It allows an element that is not normally focusable to be reached via keyboard navigation. Inside a video or audio tag, which element allows you to specify multiple media files for the browser to choose from based on support? The correct answer is option D, source. In an HTML table, which element is used to group the header content? The correct answer is option A, theod. Which semantic tag is most appropriate for content that is tangentially related to the content around it, such as sidebars or pull quotes? The correct answer is option B, aside. Which attribute can be added to a form to prevent the browser from validating the inputs upon submission? The correct answer is option C, no validate. To prevent a linked page from having access to the window object of the originating page, which rel value should be used? The correct answer is option D, rel equals nupener. Which tag is used to represent an abbreviation or acronym, often providing the full expansion in a title attribute? The correct answer is option A, ABBR. Which JavaScript method is used to get the drawing context of an HTML canvas element? The correct answer is option B, getContext. Which input type is used to create a slider control for selecting a numerical value within a range? The correct answer is option C, input type equals range. Which Boolean attribute indicates that an element is no longer relevant and should not be rendered by the browser? The correct answer is option D, hidden. Which HTML5 element is used to represent a specific period in time or a date? The correct answer is option A, time. Which attribute is used to specify that an input field must be filled out before submitting a form? The correct answer is option B, required. Thank you for watching.